After leaving Skoolie Swarm, we started making our way towards Ocala. It's always bittersweet saying goodbye to so many amazing people, yet grateful for the time we shared. The road ahead was quiet, and it gave us a chance to breathe and just take it all in. That night, we found a peaceful little boat ramp to camp at with some of our friends. The water was still, the air was soft, and laughter drifted through the evening.
I got you!
These are the kind of nights that fill your heart. Simple, unplanned, and perfect just the way they are. The next morning, we made a quick stop to do some laundry. It might not sound like much, but those everyday moments on the road have a way of reminding you that life keeps rolling no matter where you are. Our next stop was something special, a harvest host at the Ocala Drive-In. Lots of our best friends joined us there, and one of our daughters came with her boyfriend too. We hadn't seen her in years, and getting to spend that evening together meant the world to us. We all sat outside the bus under the stars, watching a movie on the big screen. There was something so nostalgic about it. The glow of the screen, the hum of the night, the sound of the people we love nearby. It really was one of those moments that you wish you could hold on to just a little bit longer. The next day, we went for a drive and found a park filled with outdoor art. Curtis and I wandered through it together, enjoying the quiet beauty of it all, while we waited to visit our daughter at work. When it was time, we headed over to the stables where she works. She showed us around and introduced us to her favorite horses.
His name is I did, because his Dan is
Aww. Seeing her doing something she loves, smiling, confident, and surrounded by animals, it made our hearts full. We grabbed lunch together, shared stories, then said our goodbyes for now. And then it was time to head home.
Time to go home.
The drive felt different this time. Familiar roads, but a whole new appreciation for them. After a few hours, we finally pulled back into our own driveway. One of the very first things I did was hug the tree in our backyard. It really did feel good to be home, to stand still for a moment and just feel it all. We were tired, happy, and super grateful. Grateful for every mile, every breakdown,
Another day of bus adventures.
every laugh, every sunrise, and every person we met along the way.
Beautiful. Love, light, happiness.
Being back home feels right, but part of us miss the open road. The freedom, the friends, the sense of discovery.
That's crazy.
This adventure may be ending, but the journey, the one inside of us, it keeps going. Thank you for coming along for the ride. We can't wait to see where the road takes us next.